Are you a creator, or anybody for that matter, who struggles with script writing? You're going to want to check this out. What's going on, guys? Current Spaces here, aka Brandon, and today I just wanted to talk to you guys super quick, real quick video about something that is taking the world by storm. Now, what is that? ChatGPT, artificial intelligence at its absolute smartest and finest. So what is it? What is ChatGPT? What is all the hype about? What is spreading the world like wildfire right now? Simply put, it's a chatbot powered by a large language model developed by OpenAI. And what does that mean exactly? So a language model is a type of artificial intelligence that is trained to generate human-like text. So ChatGPT uses this advanced technology to engage in conversations and provide information on a wide range of topics. Scripts. So whether you want to learn more about the latest news or discuss your favorite hobbies or just chat with a virtual friend, ChatGPT can do that. Now, what makes this even more interesting is that ChatGPT is way more than just a chatbot. It's also a super powerful tool for generating content or writing stories and articles and blog posts, or you name it. And with its ability to understand the content and the context of the conversation, ChatGPT is able to create a response that's appropriate and relevant to the topic. Now, here's the most amazing part that might apply to you. So I personally struggle with script writing, and that's been something that holds me back from creating a lot of content. And with ChatGPT coming along, all I had to do was type in the little box, hey, I'm looking to create a video on YouTube. I need you to create me a script talking about ChatGPT that I can share with my audience. Can you write a script for me? And every single thing in this video prior to what I'm saying now was generated through ChatGPT. So it literally just took all of the brain power, all of the research, all of the digging out of creating this video and wrote it there for me. This is going to be a complete game changer for content creators moving forward. Whether it's drafting up a script for an Instagram reel, your TikToks, you can also type in ChatGPT just to give you random ideas on content to create based on your niche. So tell me, what do you think about artificial intelligence as a whole? Let's not even just talk about ChatGPT, that's one thing, but let's talk about AI as a whole. Leave a comment down below. What do you think? Is this something that scares you? Is this something that's eventually going to start taking over multiple jobs? Are we going to be robot reliant moving forward? I feel like that's the way the future is going, but let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below, drop a like, a subscribe. I appreciate you all. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.